Welcome back, Kuradangerz, and Kuradang is back for another panty review. And for today's video is this very tiny see-through thong panty that I bought from Shopee. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. So for today's video is this panty lingerie that is in color nude or beige, something like that. Look at that very pretty embroidery design of this thong panty, and it has a tag. We will remove the tag so that we can visually view the design of our very nice and very pretty panty. So this is the front design of our panty. It is embroidery, very nice flowering design of the embroidery. What is good about this very pretty lingerie is that its strap is adjustable, so you can tighten or loosen the strap according to your size. Is that really very nice that you can adjust your lingerie into your fittings, right? In this part right here in the private area, it is a double cotton cloth that is very perfect for our sensitive area like that, do you imagine? So it is good and it is very nice and it's very comfortable in our private area. And look at the back design. It is a G-string, very tiny G-string at the back design. OMG. Do you imagine your wife, your girlfriend wearing that very pretty G-string thong panty? It's so very perfect for honeymoon or for a nighttime with your partners. So very triggering. What? Triggering? What triggering? So it is so hot and yeah, very pretty and very nice. And of course, lingerie from Shopee is so very affordable and I love the quality, and yeah, this is so good. This is so good and pretty panty lingerie. Thank you for watching and hope you like this panty review. For more and more lingerie review, please stay tuned, comment down below, and of course come back for another new sets of lingerie and Inday Krodang channel. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for more and more and more lingerie in this channel. Goodbye!